back to my channel. I am here today doing another installation and review of this gorgeous kinky curly hair. This hair is from My Shiny Wigs, and this hair is the kinky curly in the 18-inch, and it's 200% density. This hair is so pretty, you guys. It came pre-plucked. All I did was bleach the knots and put it on and then styled it a little bit, but I love how natural this hair looks, and the hairline is just, this is bomb, y'all. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. All right, you guys, let's jump into this unboxing. So in the box, I got the wig, of course, and I love that they keep it in this shiny satin bag so it keeps your hair nice and shiny and soft. Then they also give you a little cosmetic bag with 2 wig caps. I use the darker one. You'll see that later on. A comb, a edge brush, tweezers, and a makeup brush to conceal the part. But honestly, this wig was so nice that I didn't need to conceal the part at all. Like, it just blended right into my skin, which is amazing. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. This is how it comes. I'm crazy. I forgot that they come with a little wig net on it. So I was like, what the heck is on my wig? But, you know, that's just me being me. Real silly, real crazy. But yeah, so, and then it wouldn't come off my hand. So yeah, so the hair texture is so gorgeous, you guys. Like, this is how it comes. This is how the curls are before you wash it. And look at that hairline, y'all. Like, I am shook. Normally when brands say pre-plucked, they're not really pre-plucked. So I was very impressed about this one. And then the inside of it, it comes with the adjustable straps and some combs. I don't know where the other piece of my video went, my little clip, but sorry, y'all. And this is what the hairline looks like. Again, I am so impressed. All I did was bleach the knots and you're good to go. I'm not even gonna lie. The hairline on this wig looks so natural before even plucking it. Like, what? All right, y'all, so let's jump into the install. So, of course, we're going to clean off our hairline with 91% alcohol, making sure all the oils, makeup, and skincare is removed because we want the best hold on our glue. Now I'm going to be taking the Bold Hold Skin Protectant. You already know this is my regular routine when I'm doing my wigs. And now we're just going to do the ball cap method. You want to cut your ears out just so the sides lay as flat and, you know, to your head as possible. Makes it very easy. Well, a whole lot easier. So then I'm going to spray it with the Got To Be spray. You already know how this goes. Nothing new here. After you get your cap nice and saturated with the Got To Be spray, you just want to blow dry that. Not Gorilla Glue, y'all. Got to be. Don't get it confused, sis. It's got to be hairspray to hold that hair down. Now look at this. Look how melted this already is, y'all. And I ain't even glue it on there yet. And I like that you get extra hair on the sides because some wigs come too short across the hairline. So this one is a lot longer. So, you know, it really fits the forehead well. So now I'm going to just cut the lace off as usual, getting really close to the hairline, but making sure not to cut it straight across. You definitely want to cut that in zigzag motions to get that most natural looking hairline. I ended up switching to the brow razor to cut the lace off, but honestly, the scissors are easier for me, so just do whatever works best for you and what will give you the most natural look. All right, so now I'm just cutting the ear tabs. This part you want to be really careful on because if you don't cut it right, you could definitely mess up the hairline of your wig. So you want to really make sure you get it like right where your ears are. Like I've made a mistake and cut hair off. I made a mistake and cut it too short, so be careful. Look how melted that hairline is into the skin, okay? This wig is so freaking gorgeous. Like I'm shook. Now I'm going to be taking the Almighty Bond. This is my first time trying this glue. So one side has a precision tip. So if your lace lifts, you could easily just touch it up. And then the other side is the bigger silicone tip to help spread the glue. Honestly, it was easier for me spreading it with a wax stick. That's just what I'm used to. I don't know, the shape of the silicone tip was a little harder for me. But this glue, you guys, is freaking everything. It keeps your lace melted, and also it is waterproof too. So when you sweat, your wig is not going to go anywhere, okay? And I did 3 thin layers of that, letting it dry clear between each layer, and then you just apply your lace after that. All right, the fun part. So when applying the lace, you want to put it right on the edge of where you put that glue, you guys. Don't leave any glue in front of your hairline. You rather have more lace sticking out than glue because you could always go back and touch it. And then so I just work in sections. I do the middle and then I do the sides. Here I was just checking to see if it was still dry because it was still a little white, but yeah, you want to make sure your glue is clear before you stick it on there. That way you get the best hold. But look how natural this hair is looking, y'all. Then make sure you're really pressing that lace into the glue, okay? Really pressing it in there. Look how pretty this is. And don't mind the white on my skin. That's just a little of the skin protect. If you put too much, then it turns a little white. But the skin protectant for me is really important because I sweat a lot. So it really keeps my lace on. But it easily just comes off with a little alcohol or a little water. So yeah, now I'm just making sure everything is laid down. Cutting off any extra pieces. And yeah, cutting off that little side piece there. Then you want to tie your hair down with the elastic. I feel like this is really important. I was tying it down with the scarf, but the elastic really gives that tension on there to really help it melt down. And watch the reveal, y'all. Ooh, that thing is melted, okay? And I left that on for maybe about like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Now we're just gonna style the hair. But I wanted to show you guys like how the parting looks. It's giving me scalp. It's giving me scalp realness. Like, is this her hair or is this a wig, okay? Here I'm just sectioning off the portions that I want to be my baby hairs. And I'm just gonna put a little mousse and that holds it down so you don't lose your piece while you're trying to cut it off. But I just kind of cut it with a razor, and then you'll see me go back in later and cut it a little shorter. But, you know, always start a little longer because you could always, you know, cut a little more, but you can't add hair back that you already cut off. So I like laying it with the mousse first because it doesn't dry as fast as a gel, and it makes it look so natural. Then I'm going in with the Bold Hold Jelly just to give it a little bit of that hold. And that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the baby hairs. Now here, I love me a side part. I'm just parting my hair out and I'm just going to be styling it. Yeah, you just want to get your part as straight and as smooth as possible and just style it however you want, y'all. I just love how big this hair was. And then I just laid my part down with a little of the hair wax, but I didn't put any heat on it. I just really wanted to kind of smooth it down, but keep that bigness going. And I'm going to spray it with a little water just to, give those curls a little more definition now that I've been messing with the hair. Gonna comb it out to get those curls popping. When I tell you this hair was so soft and so pretty, y'all, I ain't lying. Everybody kept telling me, like, oh my gosh, like, your hair looks so good. Like, is that your hair? Like, whatever, whatever. But nope, it's the wig, sis. Then I'm going in with Lotta Body Foam just to give more of that definition. But y'all, is it her hair or is it a wig? Because at this point, we just don't know, honey. This hair was just amazing. As you can hear, I'm so excited about this hair. Like, it was perfect. All right, so I'm just getting the hairstyle to my liking, but I wanted to show you guys what the hair looked like, super defined, with product in it, or more of a heavier product in it and a little more wet, and the curls are popping, y'all. So this hair is freaking gorgeous, and this is pretty much the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you enjoyed this hair. Be sure to leave me some comments, like it, share it, subscribe. Um, Also let me know what next hairstyle you want to see in my next video. But thanks you guys for watching. I'll talk to you soon.